A warm welcome to Sir Vithal Das Thackeray College of Home Science, an autonomous college which has been designated the best college of SNDT Women's University for the year 2021. The college is NAC accredited and has got an A grade in the fourth cycle of re-accreditation. It's a college of potential for academic excellence, and this coveted honor has been given to the college for the last 3 consecutive terms by the University Grants Commission. So here we are to bring you a very, very exciting and relevant program on Masters in Entrepreneurship Management and Business Development. So what is the USP of this program? The USP of this program is that it is meant for any graduate from any specialization of home science, be it foods, nutrition, and dietetics, be it human development, including early childhood care education, developmental counseling. It could be resource management, including interior design and resource management, hospitality management, tourism management, mass communication and extension, and textile and apparel designing. So any graduate from any of the specializations of Faculty of Home Science and any BVOC graduate specializing in allied areas of the Faculty of Home Science is eligible to apply for this master's program. Another salient feature of this program is that this program actually carves you and takes you from generic to specific. So in the 4 semesters of the program, the first semester is generic, and from the second semester onwards, you are taken into your niche area, your specialization, and the third and fourth semesters actually are hands-on, inputs to make you a very, very competent entrepreneur. We, as an institution, have an EIP cell, Entrepreneurship Incubation Placement Cell, which is registered with the Government of India. So we have an IIC cell registered with Government of India. We have network of mentors, network of collaborators pan India to help our students, and there is going to be every effort to help each and every student convert their ideas into business ideas and exit this program with a patent, with a startup, with a real, energy and stage to take off as an entrepreneur. So join us in this journey of Atmanirbhar Bharat, who promotes the young India, the young adults of India to think differently and work towards Startup India and an India which innovates with its young minds. So come on board and register www.svt.edu.in.
Hello everyone. Home science, if you go to see the kind of specializations that are offered, the range of specializations that are offered, are all there to develop you as a professional, no matter which subject you choose to specialize in. And these are all perfect foundations for you to become an entrepreneur, for you to do something of your own, that you can call your own. This MSc program in entrepreneurship and business development is so designed that it will build upon the skills that you've already learned in your graduation to help you start a little something of your own. You may be wherever you are in the world doing anything. You may be a homemaker, you may be living in your own house, or you may be somewhere abroad. You may have chosen to work in a profession that you specialized in. You're already working with an agency. But even then, this course will equip you to start something in your field of choice. When it comes to entrepreneurship, there are really no limits. You can do anything, and this home science background makes you that person to do anything that you can dream of, because it inculcates in you so many skill sets that usually any other professional program wouldn't. So, being an alumni of SVT myself, and being an entrepreneur myself, and being closely a part of this team who has worked on this particular program, I can with very definite assurance say that this program could be a life changer, and this could give you the opportunity that you've been waiting for. So, all home science students, no matter which field, do apply for this course and make the most of it. All the very best to you. Thank you very much.